I think CII is doing a great job in getting people across the industries in coming together. The objective is to learn the best practices from across the industry, from whether it's IT, services, manufacturing and so on. And I think CII is doing a phenomenal job at that. My take on leadership, I very strongly believe that the future leadership has to be bold and impatient. We need people who are bold, who can think radically different for the future of the country. In a very fast changing environment, we need a different kind of leadership. What worked in the past may not work in the future, and so we need people who think radically different and are able to execute. I think the most important thing is the ability to get things done, and leaders need to have the ability to get things done. The other thing I talk about, being impatient, is very important because a lot of time a change in a country is very slow, and we need people who are able to drive things at a very fast pace. I think it's not just about innovation, it's also the speed of innovation that is critical. And these are the factors I think is very core to future leadership. This is the annual HR conclave that CII does. I think CII has chapters across the country. This is a very important forum to get the HR thought leaders and what the future workplace would look like.